never seen Spice post an image or a video of her mother to social media. And she explained why. Yeah, me personally never see it. But she explained why. She said her mother is a nice, quiet Christian lady and she's not one for the spotlight. And that is why she not post her mother and thing to social media and stuff like that. Her mother like the nice, quiet, private life. But people in this reasoning right here, so Spice introduced her mother for the first time to her fans. And people, it was a good reasoning for listen to. Spice and her mother go down memory lane. Them talk a little bit about the struggles, the journey, and what made Spice, Spice. She even mentioned that she was living in the UK for quite a while. Most of we never even did know that until now. People, more want to relax and listen to the reasoning here between Spice and Mama Spice. Take a listen.
Mama, come say hi to the people there. Many people them see you.
Turn the camera.
Just say hi. Let me turn the camera. I want to see my mother. My mother never see my mother yet. Remember, it's a big moment this year. My mother is a Christian lady, you know. You notice when I post my mother, you notice me the rubs. All right, it's a very big moment. Hold on. Oh, you flip the camera here. Watch your son now. Watch my nice, clean mother.
Hi, hello. How are you?
Say, better to tell people them big up.
Yeah, say hello.
Watch grassy nor pa my mother. Watch nice grassy nor pa my mother. I want to know about this. My nice, clean mother. Crazy. Want to know that? Big up, mama. Big thing. It's a big moment. Grassy senor. Remember, so I still go look for the lady when me go do the grassy senor line, you know. For the older ladies, you know, the mothers and the grandmothers, grassy senor. Yes, stay good for my mother. Big up Mama Jella. My inspiration, you don't know the thing go. Remember watch a lady turn half pound of rice into many. Work miracle. Yeah. Them say your son is your mom's twin. Me, Gracie, half a fat. Me not tell a lie. Me eat 6 cake. My mother bake what day for Thanksgiving. Me eat 6 cake. Me make sure look pan Justin and I say, Justin, let me explain something to you. You see them Christmas cake here, cause my mother bake the Christmas cake. We call the black cake them, the fruit cake them, Jamaica cake. Mother bake about 10 of them. And remember me tell you say, for the people that want to follow me long time, I know how me used to hide the Christmas cake under the bed when I go to Jamaica. My mother they are foreign with me now. And when the woman bake, me just look on Justin. Because I remember say the man knew to certain local things, so you have to explain to him. Me just say, Justin, let me explain something to you. I want to show you the baking thing. Me say, you see the cake here? I'm going to give you a slice. I'm cut a little slice. You eat this slice, no matter fall in love with the cake. So, when you get the slice, you take the one little slice and just make that little slice they serve you. And me just look at him and say, Justin, if I eat off one of the cake, you're going to look at me a certain type of way? He said, what do you mean? I say, I just want to know, like, if you sit there and I eat, like, a whole baking tin. The whole tin of cake. How you gonna feel about it? Because you sometimes have to reason them and hear what them say. You understand? You have to listen. You have to listen. Sometimes you have to throw look at words and hear if the man are gonna say, oh, that's crazy. You can't eat a whole cake. That's not a good look or whatever. So I just throw it out there for hear what I'm gonna say. I'm still gonna eat off the whole tin of cake. Slice them up fine. I slice them up fine. I eat off the one tin of cake. My mother, baking and dumpling, you're crazy. But I tell mama to teach me how to bake the cake, you know. I tell her to teach me how to bake the dumpling. So one day we're going to go on live when mother fry dumpling or when she bake. Because mama Jella cooking and a normal something. I tell you, I eat off the one tin of cake, one go. A couple hour after that, the next tin. I just the truth. My mother cake bad and nice and soft, and when the woman throw look up, Jesus. Yeah, I'm sorry to eat it off. I could have shown her the tin. Soft and bouncy, man. Then somebody can bake cake and just a bounce so just fluffy, so. Me never know. Me never know. Mama, where you put it like make it so fluffy? Make it so moist.
No,
Butter?
just make it moist.
Oh.
Make it soft. And when it finish bake, me not open it up to breeze. Cause when you open it up to the breeze, it get dry. So I just cover it up hot.
What you say? So you cover it up with the foil.
Yes, cover it up. That's it done. Because when you take it over the oven, it's easy to get dry and crispy. So you have to just cover it up hot and let it steam back and get that moist.
So you put butter in it?
Yes, it have to bake with butter.
No, but how you think in it when me so like it? Can me know everybody bake the same cake, but it not taste like your one. So you have a secret to it or something. Everybody bake that cake. Them all buy it from the people. Then will walk and sell it. But when you bake it, mama.
Everybody cook different tastes and things like that. Everybody cook different.
Something with your baking, mama. Trust me.
Yes, just as I said, everybody cook different, bake different, and do things different in their cooking.
Something with your cooking. Cause remember, you come cook. I wish you come cook one day, yeah. And just did that, but it's who cook. It's who cook. Me just say, hey, if you say my mother cook better than me, not cooking again for you. So you try to eat the fish.
I'm gone.
You try to eat the fish and go on, you know. Yeah. But yeah, it's a beautiful day. Money Green, say your mom is beautiful. Thank you. Your mom look like a very easygoing person.
Well,
Freddy's, what you have to say about that? What you have to say about that?
she's very easygoing.
Oh, no lie.
Some days. And some days.
Listen, this is a Christian woman that will come out. Oh, Mama said, don't say that. My mother very easygoing. I don't know who amount me. So who amount me get then, Mama? If you then say you look easygoing and nice, who me stay like? Where say, Mama?
Your dad was love to talk and things like that.
So
So your child said Gracie love to talk.
when I say me like to talk.
Yes, so you love to talk.
Mama, where say a daddy mount me get?
Yes, she's saying you love to talk.
So when daddy terrible. Daddy trace people. What how it go? Come on, you have to tell me when me get that. I have a different kind of attitude. I'm gonna go from 0 to 100 real quick. I mean, no, you find out you may get it from.
Yeah, your father did nice, but it was very outspoken and it was a very no nonsense man. Yes.
So him make me love cuss so.
Theme fault. I think so.
Jesus God.
I think so.
So when you not blame me, you know, I feel like says me. It come from early spring. It come from very early spring. So before me even born, the man make me stay so. Yeah, I'm a father make me stay so. May I tell you? Daddy mouth me have. Yeah, I'm a father make me stay so. So from very early, may I tell you? Mm-hmm.
He was a plain man, very plain.
Where you say, Mama?
Yes, he'll look in your eye and tell you the truth. He was a very, very plain, outspoken man.
Very plain.
Very plain.
And that's why they don't like me, because I have to just start the truth and tell you right to your face, there and then. Get it over with.
Yes, but sometimes you have to hold back the truth because sometimes the truth hurts. I don't know, everybody like to hear the truth.
Right.
So sometimes you have to hold back your speech sometimes.
Which is where you always are telling me. But Mama, now, listen, sometimes when the people them talk the things them, you know, and it burn you to the core, you know, oh, you have to hold back your mouth now and just not say nothing.
Yes, you cannot say nothing sometimes.
Mm.
You cannot say nothing sometimes.
You hear it from my mother. So every time we in a problem with people, and mama that I say, Gracie, don't answer me. Say, mama, me have to say something. Mama, me have to talk. Mama, me I go answer. Mama, me have to talk. And mama, they pan, no, Gracie, sometimes you just leave people alone to them time and let them talk. Not leaving them. Me not leaving them. Me not leaving them. So all of you that they kill up on yourself, it don't make no sense to nobody comment and say, oh, Spice is bigger than this. I am not big. I am not big. Me not bigger than it.
It's small.
Me very small. Me very small. Me have to answer. Me not big.
No, Grace, not everything you can answer.
Me not big, mama.
Not everything you can toe to one thing like that. Sometimes.
Mama, I am toe to toeing. I am going straight to toe. Mama, I am toe to toeing. If them give me the head, me want the tail. If I egg, me is the yolk. Me a toe to toe with them. Right through. Remember, since you say, I'm a father, make me stay so, you know. So from birth, I uno born me so. Me never asked to be this child. Me could have been like Fen, because Fen don't make none trouble her. So remember, you know, 2 child right here. Let me make sure I show this. See, this is Fenny's. 2 child right here. Same mother, same father. You look at your face, but you're pregnant.
I know.
Same mother, same father. She, no worries. Not nobody her. All if house a tub up, but she stand up, she come like Beyonce. She not saying a word.
No.
She not saying a word. She don't make nothing bother her, not no stress her. Me toe to toe it. Me toe to toe in. Right through. If you call my name, but at the end of the day, no, you have to give it to me because I true me answer the people that make me not bury yet. Because if some of them, if you leave it to some of them would have cover me long time. Yeah. Me have to stand up for myself. Me have to talk up for myself. Them tell lie for me, them stab me, them chop me, them do everything. Me have to come out and say, no, let me tell you how it go, and I say it go. So I have to toe to toe. Me have to talk for myself. Me no big, none at all.
Me little.
Me little.
Take everything for joy.
Yeah. So me have to answer some of them.
You don't have to answer. Sometimes you don't have to answer.
Mama, that you tell me all my life, so me not fi answer, but me have to answer. See, somebody say, so we Leos stay, us Leos. My mother Leo too, you know, but me don't know my mother is a different Leo. Maybe true my mother get older now. Maybe my mother terrible when she little and she not talk. But me don't know, my mother is a Leo. No, you're not Leo, you pass Leo. She passed Leo, and Nicholas is a Leo. She born August. My mom born August, me born August, but she had a Leo. She roll over to the Virgo. Yeah. But I guess when I get older. Flow. I was doing Flow Innovation Conference when I was teaching people about business, and I was talking about where I'm coming from. I told you guys about my mom and how she was an entrepreneur when I was little. She used to sell, she used to hustle. She do everything, you know, that's possible, you know, to make money. And that's where I got my first teaching from. I was telling you guys about chicken food. So I'm going to make my mother tell you no, give you 2 local instance. Because when me little, you see how me stay now? I know because me an artist make me stay so. So some people might say, I choose your name Spice. No, I'm from a little before Spice. This is just me. Not Adan and Mekan being an artist. I've always been this person as a child. So as me tell you now, I told them on Flow, me I go tell uno know my fans because I know all I want to dip on it. So me we go into the story. So when I was younger, my mother used to sell chicken foot, which was one way of income, making money. Because my mom used to have a cook shop. She used to have a shop at Float Clarence Beach. Straight hustler. Working, making money all along. So she used to sell chicken foot at the house. So I was about
8.
8? Yes. I was about 8 years old.
7, 8.
7 or 8. My mother said I was about 7 or 8. So my mother said chicken foot. So for those of you who don't know chicken foot, we eat the foot of the chicken because the people in America don't really understand chicken foot.
Yeah,
buy some for what there. Yeah. You do use it in a soup?
Yes.
You don't use it yet. Go wait there.
It's still there.
I want to show them because some people from America don't really know the foot of like chicken foot. People don't eat chicken foot.
But we use the boiled soup, we curry it and we stew it.
Yeah, I want to go feed.
You don't have to go.
No, come on, show. So, my mother sell the chicken foot, so she teach me how to weigh the chicken foot in the scale since I was a child, because that's, you know, how we make our living. So, me day home now, and one lady come at the house, and the lady say, she want pound of chicken foot. Was it a pound of chicken foot?
Yes,
she said she want pound of chicken foot. My mother used to buy it from boilers, as she say. Put it nice thing, sis. My mother used to buy it from chicken boilers and
From
Jamaica boilers and carry it home and then would have weigh it out in a little bag.
We would shake off the feather, wash it off and scald it off and then we strip it. Where your dad?
All right, you hear that?
For your dad,
Yeah, because we used to dip it in the hot water to scald it off.
Yes.
Anyway, so we used to sell that and people would have come our house and come buy the chicken foot and would have wait and sell it to them. So a lady, long story short, the lady come now and she say, pound of chicken foot. Me now, 7 years old, go at the veranda and we have a scale where we would have take up the chicken foot and weigh it in at the scale. So I put some chicken foot on the scale. And you know, you look on the scale to see the weight. Put 2 little more chicken foot. My mama said, you know, me and them little. So I take up one chicken foot and put on the scale. That time my mother must up the road. Up the lane or something like that.
No, me go market. Me wait market and come back and me meet the lady.
Okay. Mother say, Mama, remember? You remember?
Yeah.
So far?
I tell you the story because the lady said.
Hold on. I'm going to sit on the side of Mama.
The lady said to me say, when I was coming. Yo, one little girl down there, me I tell you, she not easy. Me buy the pound of chicken foot and tell her to give me one.
Wait. I get her yet. So anyway, the lady now, she said she want a pound of chicken foot. So I weigh the chicken foot. Me give the lady a cup of chicken foot. The scale go over 1. So I take off back one of the chicken foot. Here the lady, little girl. You really take off back one of chicken foot, put back your chicken foot. Me say, lady, a pound of chicken foot you buy, you never buy a pound and quarter. Me say, the woman vex. Me say, look here, a pound of chicken foot you buy, you never buy a pound and quarter. So me take off back the 1 chicken foot. So when she see my mother now, she go tell my mother, she must say my mother gonna beat me. A profit. We need the profit. When woman tell us, Mama,
But
when she see her, when she say,
oh, that little girl down there, she not easy, how she dry eyes, so. Look at me, 1 chicken foot and look at woman say, you never buy a pound, you buy, you never buy a pound and quarter.
I was 7 years old. Yeah. 7 years old. But a pound she buy. I mean, need my mother profit to go to school and to get little money. You crazy? Me can't give her not even 1 chicken foot.
But you used to keep friend and me used to have to go buy the chicken foot and go buy. I think I used to sell coconut oil at that time too.
Really?
So
yeah, I'm my girlfriend.
No.
I'm my girlfriend.
No.
Fennis, see her there. I'm me girl. Hey, I'm on Instagram. I'm me girl Fennis. Yeah.
You stop to let friend with you and go get the chicken foot and go get stuff like that.
All right.
Yeah.
I'm me girl Fennis. The first time Fennis get a beating from me, I'm going to give it to her right now. See her there.
I can tell you the one.
Yes. No, but that's she big now and pregnant. It's me grow her.
Yeah.
Me grow her because see my mother here. My mother used to work very hard. As me tell you now all the while now, when you see me now, just I tell you now, at first when I see my mother, so she can't tell you no fear. I said my mother used to work very hard.
Very hard.
She used to leave and go do her little thing and me now take the initiative. And be the big woman in the place. I take care of Fen and take care of Mayo. I had a little brother when named Mayo. Me grow them. Fenice now, the first lick she get from me. Cartel lick she gets. Other one there?
Yeah.
It's a cartel lick she get. It's a cartel lick she get. So when we used to live for one house, 2-bedroom and rare. Me is a strict mother, you know. No, that's why I see sometimes when people judge me, I just laugh. I am a very strict mother. When it comes to book, you have to take book. When it comes to housework and them something there, you have to do your housework. So me leave this little girl now until I say take her book. Me go away. When me come back at the house. Oh, the song go. You must be back and you get a rapid lick. Oh, this cartel song go. I don't mind for me, it was lower.
But at the long time cartel then.
A cartel song that me hear and play. After me leave this little girl in the house for do her schoolwork. But can't remember the cartel. Oh, whining song.
Yeah, but it was a whining song.
Anyway, I can't remember which cartel. A cartel song that me hear and play. You know what I do? I tip on my toe and go round at the back of the house because true me know say if me open the front door, the girl I go hear me and stop and turn off the song. Me just walk around at the back when me know say a room they round at the other side and lift up the little window in our room. Girl I practice for wine.
So
The girl, what I say?
that is so embarrassing.
The girl I practice the wine. You're crazy. Me and your mother. Me. Yo.
Get some.
Where's Stephen?
I get some leak the day. I say, I couldn't even believe. Because I'm frightened, because she just come in at the door and say, oh, a wine, yeah, wine.
Yo. I give some lick. Say wine, a white some lick for her. Yeah. So she pregnant now. She turned big man and but she married. Crazy. I give her some lick. But she heard for wine. Yeah. So that was fun.
Yeah.
But I love my family. I live for them.
Yes.
Love my mom to death. Me from first money me I hold, me have been. As a matter of fact, this career path where I have because I'm a mother. Because to be honest, I got an opportunity to leave Jamaica when I was
9.
Nine.
You
yeah.
go England.
My father died when I was 9, and
Okay. Yes.
my daddy died when I was 9.
Yes.
And Fen never born yet. Fen don't know her father, by the way, guys. My mom was pregnant when my father died, and I think she only found out about the pregnancy
I'm gonna go to us.
when he died, and she got to the hospital, right? So Fenice never got a chance to meet daddy. But I was saying my mom is the reason why me even there Jamaica, come back to Jamaica, and because so when my father died, my grandfather, may his soul rest in peace, that's my mom's dad. Nice man, he gave me the opportunity to go to England. I guess him tell mommy say, I'm gonna send for me or whatever the case may
Because you
be.
did little and bright and thing like that, and he said,
What you hear what my mother say?
Yes.
Hold on, mama.
yes,
Mama, hold on. Say that again.
yes, you're right. Granddad a letter.
You
And
say
she
little
said,
and
when you think it was 5, and she said, "Oh, how old is this little girl?" And I said, 5. And I said, "This girl is 5, and write me this letter. I'm going to keep it, and I'm going to send for her." And she said, "He sent for you when you was 9."
you hear that? I was the little and bright. And that me do what mama say again. I was the little and bright. Anyway, so my grandfather sent for me now for come to England. So when we go to England now, that's because my father died. My mom was struggling with, all of us and stuff. So he was like, I'm super bright and I have great opportunities. So he's going to make me go to England. So I went to England. I was living there for a while. I was going to school in England. Yes. But something just never right in my spirit, man.
Because I said, you have to take care of Finn, and me have to go and buy the chicken foot and thing like that. So you tell Dad say you want to come back to help me.
You hear that?
Yes.
You hear that?
Because say me a struggle with the chicken foot and thing like that.
You hear that?
So me call one Sunday. We went to the phone box and me call you one Sunday and you answer. After you answer.
Look at the mama. Look at him.
After you answer, you say, I want to go home, my mother.
Come here. So the moral of the story now, England nice, a be a nice food. Me not used to them a big food, yeah. Because we come from humble beginnings. So my mom never had it as much as, you know, my grandfather had it in England. So you're going to this new world as a little girl. Dog in the house. When you're there in Jamaica, dog outside. Dog outside and you throw a bone give dog. And when you go England, dog in the house with you. Dog up on your bed. But the great part about it is them give me this grand opportunity and me just at all me in my head, me have to go back to Jamaica to help my mother.
Yes.
Them give me the world. Life was beautiful over there. Like when I say I have everything.
But when you come back and you miss the first common entrance, then this college.
Wait, me not ready for that bright part there yet. Hold on, mama. Let me give them the story properly. Because since we talk, me not ready for that bright part there yet.
Come back from England.
Wait, no, mama. Me not ready for that part there yet.
Yes.
So when I go England now, me I tell you to say, me a ball, I tell them, say, look here. Me love you know everything. Me like the big food and everything. The house nice and everything. Me have my own room in England and everything. When me there Jamaica, me and my sister them share the one bed. Me said, this nice, you know. This very nice. But I want to go back to Jamaica. Yes. I want to go back home because I have to help my mother. Me say, look here. All of them pretty something here. Like it. But I want go home, go help my mother. I told my grandfather, me say, look here, me have to go help my mother because my mother one dog at Jamaica and she have the two people them, which is Fennis there. So where she see me there. Every time that's why she have to take care of my two people them right now, you know, right through. Me say me have to go help my mother and my little sister and brother.
More than two. It was five of one at that time.
Right.
5.
But me just I say me want go help the younger one, which
The
is
younger one, yes.
Fennis and Mayo.
Yes.
Me say me cannot stay here, so sir, me have to go back home. Me never stop nag the man until the man send me back at Jamaica because every day, yeah, water, when them there at the table with big food, me sit down a ball. What is wrong with you, Grace? Remember, say I have a British accent, and this is where I get it from. Someone who never knows that me used to live in England. What's wrong with you, Grace? Me want to go. Me want to help my mother. Me want to go home and be that every day so till the people them end up have to send me back to Jamaica. I saw so spice band.
Yes.
So spice band. My mother can tell you now. I start from young as me drop back to Jamaica. No itching. Yeah, so I could tell you about the bright part now, because I now got that part down, I have to hear me a little bit. I'm bright. Very brilliant. When I drop back at Jamaica now, I used to go to Britain school. So I used to go to Britain school now. The teacher, she can't pass the exam. She never did the syllabus. She never did the syllabus. She got to repeat and go back to grade 4 to Mr. Baker class because the syllabus was difficult and she not gonna pass. She have to go do a repeat and she just a go on. That's why me with my little ball head now. Me I say, Miss, just give me a chance to take the exam now. Because
no, Miss Baker says Grace Bright, so you have to accept her because she little and bright. So you did pass the first chance, so that was the second chance.
Common entrance.
Yes, the 2 chance. And you go to England, you miss the first one, so you have the last one. So the teacher was saying, so you're not going to pass the last one. So Miss Baker said, yes, she will pass. Give her a chance. And so she give you the chance. She accept you back in school. And you pass.
Big up to Miss Baker. Because
Brayton School.
when I sit the common entrance at Brayton All Age School, I never did the syllabus. I never did the syllabus at all. Me just go sit the common entrance and Miss Baker say, she believe in me, give me the chance.
But I'm a pass.
Me pass.
But wait there. You see, you don't, a lot of things that you don't tell them because they say when you come back, the fridge, when you was selling the chicken foot, the fridge did break down. And I couldn't buy that amount of chicken foot that I used to buy. Like I used to buy one bag. That one bag was, I think, a 60 pound well in the bag. And through the fridge breakdown, I could only buy like 20 pound. So I couldn't send you to school for the whole of the week. Because I send you 2 days, Monday and Tuesday. Because I never have enough money to send you Wednesday and Thursday and Friday. So one day,
Wanna hear that?
One day now, you said the teacher said, what happened? You're not coming to school. You're not coming to school for 3 days. What happened? And I think you tell the teacher, say, my mother don't have any money to send me come to school. But one day now, I dey home and I see a cry come. And I said to me, say, what happened? And I said, you said, Mama, I'm not going to pass my exam because I said, you can't send me to school more than 2 days. And I said, Grace, you will pass your exam. Remember what I said when you come?
Mm-hmm.
I said, started to pray.
No, me no, I said, no man, want to recite it, cut. But yeah, unfortunately, somebody did start call Spice and the call cut out and a lot of the audio was choppy and me just cut it right there so. But people, it was a great reasoning though. Wanna learn some things I wanna never know about Spice up until now, right? The struggles where Spice got through in her youthful days growing up is what made Spice the great artist she is today. Talented, she have the drive and she continue pushing. She get it from mama. Watch out, man. Talk to me down below in the comment section. Let me know what is your take on this one right here. Zane, this has been another one from Unstoppable TV. Like, share, comment, and definitely if this is your first time and you have not yet hit that subscribe button, please consider hitting the subscribe button now. Turn on all notifications. Once you upload a video, you will get notified. No matter what, don't make nobody stop you. I'm unstoppable and I'm out.
Right now you know we unstoppable. Unstoppable.